scientists agree. It's not a question of if, but when a major earthquake will strike the new Madrid Seismic Zone. This powerful fault line, located 160 miles south of St. Louis, lies dormant beneath America's heartland, holding a history of destruction and the potential for future devastation. In the early hours of December 16, 1811, the United States experienced an unprecedented event, a massive earthquake that shook the nation to its core. The epicenter of this seismic activity was near New Madrid, Missouri, and the tremors were felt as far away as New York City. For nearly 2 months, the ground trembled with thousands of aftershocks, some reaching magnitudes of 7 or higher, the strongest ever recorded in the contiguous United States. The New Madrid earthquakes remain a mystery even today. Unlike most earthquakes, which occur along plate boundaries where the Earth's crust shifts and collides, these quakes originated from the interior of the North American plate. Despite intensive research, the underlying cause of this seismic activity remains unclear. Since the 1980s, scientists have recorded consistent seismic activity in the New Madrid zone, with numerous small tremors occurring each year. This ongoing movement suggests the potential for future large-scale earthquakes, a concern heightened by the region's unique geology. The Mississippi Valley sits atop a vast underground reservoir of loose, wet sand and mud, a recipe for disaster during an earthquake. This type of soil is prone to liquefaction, where the ground essentially turns to quicksand, amplifying the shaking and causing widespread damage to infrastructure. The 1811-1812 New Madrid earthquakes provide a chilling example of this phenomenon. The tremors triggered massive landslides, caused the Mississippi River to flow backward, and created enormous sand blows, eruptions of water and sand from the ground. The devastation was immense, with entire towns destroyed and countless lives lost. While the New Madrid Seismic Zone has remained relatively quiet for over 200 years, history suggests that major earthquakes occur there with a frequency of 200 to 800 years. The U.S. Geological Survey estimates a 25 to 40% chance of a magnitude 6 or higher earthquake in the next 50 years, and a 7 to 10% chance of an even more powerful quake of magnitude 7.5 or greater. These probabilities are alarming, especially given the region's lack of preparedness. Unlike the West Coast, where earthquake-resistant construction is commonplace, buildings and infrastructure in the central U.S. are not designed to withstand such powerful tremors. The New Madrid Seismic Zone is a ticking time bomb, a hidden threat that could have catastrophic consequences. As we delve deeper into this geological mystery, one question looms large. Are we prepared for the next big one?